my name is Monica Bertucci. I'm the editor of Kitchen and Cooking here at Reviewed, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Bosch HIS8655U induction range. Here's a little bit about this Bosch 800 series 36-inch induction range. This range features fast and efficient cooking with induction technology. The dimensions are a width of 35 and 15/16 inches, a height of 36 inches, and a depth of 26.5 inches. There is a generous capacity of 3.7 cubic feet that can fit large dishes. It comes in a stainless steel finish with 5 burners, 2 oven racks, and 6 oven rack positions. This range also comes with a telescopic rack and a quiet close door. And it comes with several oven features including bake, convection bake, broil, convection roast, pizza, proof, convection multi-rack, Sabbath mode, temperature probe, and catalytic cleaning. This range features a spacious cooktop that allows you to multitask easily between burners. The left burner boasts 1850 watts, while the front right has 2300 watts and the back right has 1400 watts. The center burner's wattage is 3000, with a best-in-class wattage of 5500 watts in speed boost mode. These burners boiled water impressively fast during our tests, boasting a 45% faster rate than traditional electric cooktops. Each burner also offers a wide range of temperature control with preset settings for things like simmering and melting, as well as standard numerical temperature controls. This range also features a combi zone, which allows you to combine multiple cooking areas together for larger pots and griddles. This oven heats precisely and evenly. During testing, this range earned a near-perfect score thanks to its impressively even heating and feature-rich settings. During testing, we used thermocouple temperature tracking to monitor any fluctuations that occur while the oven is heated. We also used thermal imaging technology to measure how much heat escapes the interior of the oven while it's on. Results showed excellent insulation, with the exterior being barely above room temperature. This oven also includes a convection multi-rack feature, which allows you to bake evenly among 3 different oven racks with even heat distribution throughout. There are several intuitive oven settings. Beyond standard settings like bake, convection, and broil, there are also preset options that can allow you to easily decide how to set your oven for things like proofing and pizza making. It features an industrial chic design with heavy-duty metal knobs and a sleek cooktop that adds a bold design to your kitchen. And the glass cooking surface is scratch and stain resistant. While there's a lot that we love about the Bosch HIS8655U, there were a few things that we didn't love during testing. While the manual of this range warned that there would be some initial burn-off upon first use, we noticed that it was pretty intense for several days, and we were forced to set up multiple air purifiers and keep the windows open for adequate ventilation. The manual of the range recommends heating the oven empty for an hour upon first use and allowing for adequate ventilation in the space. We also recommend running an overhead hood if you have one, and allowing for adequate ventilation for several days or as long as the burn-off lasts. Preheating on this range requires attention. The display housed on the oven door won't tell you what the temperature is at as it climbs. It just shows an orange horizontal line at the bottom of the screen that elongates as it gets closer to the desired temperature. Unfortunately, we still found it hard to decipher when the horizontal line had actually reached the end, because we noticed that it was still a little bit short once the notification had beeped that the oven was preheated. Speaking of that preheat beep, we noticed that it was notably quiet during testing. So don't expect to hear it from another room, and you should stay close by if you're waiting to hear that noise before you put anything in the oven. Overall, the pros are, it has a spacious 5-burner induction cooktop, the oven heats precisely and evenly, there are several intuitive oven settings, and the design is show-stopping. While the cons are, the smoke burn-off during setup is intense, and preheating requires attention. Should you buy the Bosch HIS8655U 36-inch 800 series induction range? Yes. If you've been dreaming about the benefits of induction cooking and you have extra space in your kitchen for a larger model, this range is worth the investment. At a whopping $6,200 retail price, this range is definitely pricey, but we think it's worth the splurge if you're willing to invest. We found a lot to love about this sleek high-end range, and if you can justify the cost, we think it's worth buying. For the full review, head to reviewed.com, and thanks for watching.